The kitchen is a special place where memories are made. You want it to be beautiful, personal, and above all, safe. At Kitchen Airflow, we specialize in high-quality range hoods that perfectly match your decor and keep your home air clean. Our top priority is airflow. Our products swiftly remove airborne grease, fumes, smoke, steam, and heat from the air, so you can breathe easy, knowing your kitchen ventilation is great. Kitchen Airflow is proud to be an authorized dealer of Z-Line appliances. Explore our inventory of range hoods and enjoy 10% off at checkout, plus fast and free shipping.